Hey guys, I'm hungry. Are you? When you want to have something, you just want to have a snack, but you want it to be healthy, but you also want it to be sweet, and then you also want it to be savory, I've got just the thing for you. Stay tuned, and I'm going to give you the recipe for my favorite go-to snack. This is my take on the True Foods Mediterranean roasted cauliflower. Now, of course, we've got cauliflower. I had half a carrot extra, so I'm going to add the carrot. Of course, you need dates. This makes it sweet. And of course, you need roasted pistachios. I had an extra stem of kale that I'm going to add. You need the juice of a half of a lemon, and for garnishment, mint and dill. And you can put some mint in your water too. It's lovely. It's wonderful. You're also going to need, and this is my take on it, I add an avocado. I love avocado. Everything's better with avocado. And also, you're going to need some vegetable broth. I use organic, and then also organic tahini, a little bit of salt, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then harissa. And there's all different, this is a Moroccan spice. You can get different varieties. You can get it really spicy or just mild, and I've got the mild version. Okay, I've got my oven heated to 450 degrees. So next what I'm going to do is roast the cauliflower. So I'm going to put it into, I like to use the least amount of bowls as possible. So I'm going to put it into this small bowl, and I can tell I'm going to have some extra cauliflower left over, and that's good. I'm going to add, for some color, we'll add some carrots in there. And then, of course, we're going to add a little bit of the kale. You know, sometimes you want to have a healthy snack, but you want to have it sweet and savory too. And this is it. And then I'm going to drizzle my evoo on top. And then I want to make sure that it's spread out enough so that everything gets charred, slightly charred. All right, you guys, into the oven it goes. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, next we're going to cut up the dates. Now we're going to put a quarter of a lemon. I said a half, but since I'm making less cauliflower, this is how I squeeze my lemon. I'm going to use the rest from my water. A third of a cup of tahini. Now again, the harissa, it's up to you how spicy you want it. So I'm going to put in just a little teaspoon, probably half of a teaspoon, 4 tablespoons of vegetable broth, all in one bowl, and let's get together. I'm going to chop up some of the mint and the dill, and oh my gosh, it's just exploding. When you chop up mint, fresh mint, guys, it smells like childhood, like when I used to have mint gum, peppermint or spearmint gum. Yum, I cannot wait for this. Okay, fresh out of the oven, I have the cauliflower charred just a little bit, and I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes. Mix up the tahini sauce again, one last time, and then put it all together. Almost forgot. Good one. One last thing to wash. So I'm going to keep everything in here. And then I'm going to add it to the cauliflower. So we've got the dates, we've got the charred cauliflower, and I added, this is my take on the True Food Mediterranean charred cauliflower recipe. We've got dates, we've got pistachios, And I had a half a carrot left over and a little bit of kale. I'm gonna add some dill and the mint. Yummy, it looks like. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this is the best snack ever. I think I'm gonna add some more dates too, because I just love that sweet and savory. Okay, you guys, I hope you like this simple, fast recipe. It's a way to have a healthy snack that doesn't take a lot of time. See you next time. Seriously, it's really good.